Hi, my name is Sabyasachi. I based at Dunlop. So basically, past 5 years, I am facing the hair losing problem, and after trying so many things, but I didn't get the optimum results regarding my hair. So I decided to do hair transplant with new roots because I did search, got the info from YouTube, and there I got a very good rating actually. It's a 4.9 out of 5. So about new root, and I decided to choose new root for my hair transplant. And during the surgery day, when I appeared for that particular surgery, so it was a wonderful experience because the entire medical fraternity and with the staffs, they are very cooperative, and I feel really good about that. And when during my procedure, they are really cooperating with me is very well. And of course, the procedure absolutely is pain free, very suggestive. I'm promised that there is no pain after that procedure has happened. So I did my surgery, and today I came here for the first day for my hair cleaning. Experience was exceptionally well. Again, I'm give the tribute to the doctors and the medical fraternity and the staffs. And after doing a surgery, I'll get the confidence back that I'll get my hairline the way earlier actually. So thank you very much, New Roots, for this particular procedure and surgery, and expecting wonderful results. Thank you.